Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have paper and a sharp pencil. Start now by laying out the eye line and spacing. Draw a light head curve, then place 2 guide marks 1 eye apart so proportions read as cute. Next, block in simple rounded bases, circles, or slightly flattened almonds, keeping edges soft so you can adjust. Once done, establish the pupil center and iris size relative to the base. These early choices determine expression and scale, so make decisions lightly and erase Now focus on how light defines cuteness. Draw a large iris and place big white highlights before you shade so you preserve them. Fill the pupil solid, then blend a radial gradient in the iris from darker at the top to lighter at the bottom to suggest depth. Once done, add thin lash strokes that follow the eye curve. Vary pressure for weight and stop short of the highlight so it stays crisp. Make sure transitions stay smooth to keep the kawaii softness. Finish by cleaning guides and refining the outer rim with a slightly darker line where shadow falls, but keep inner edges soft. Add a tiny secondary highlight or a faint reflection on the lower lid to sell wetness, and apply a small blush or gradient under the eye for extra charm. Once done, step back and compare both eyes for symmetry, making tiny corrections. If they appear flat, increase contrast with a darker top shadow or add a thin rim light to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.